Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia. This is my cooking channel, and today I am sharing with you a roasted vegetables in a slow cooker because it is Crocktober, and also this video is part of a collaboration that is hosted by Small Town 6. So I will have her channel linked down below in the description box, as well as the playlist, so you can go ahead, check both out once you are finished my video. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
So for this, I have chosen some fall harvested vegetables and lots of different colored vegetables. I love these multicolored carrots. I think they look so nice in a dish and it just makes you want to eat it. And then Brussels sprouts. We love Brussels sprouts, so I cook with them often. And some baby potatoes. I was going to add some green beans. I thought that they were good, but they weren't so good. So no green beans, but you can add really any vegetables that you want to add. And then I will proceed to chopping everything up. You want to chop them into, I would say, bite-sized pieces, a fairly maybe half an inch pieces or so. And then I was also cutting my Brussels sprouts into half. That way they will have a chance to cook through, but you don't want them to overcook either. So just the right amount of crunch. I'm cutting my baby potatoes in half as well. Well, actually, these were fingerling potatoes. They weren't baby potatoes. I thought spruce things up. I usually just do baby potatoes, but we do like fingerling potatoes as well. So I picked those up instead. I also want to mention that I am not cutting the Brussels sprouts in half, just cutting the tips off, just to correct myself. But if this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. I hope you press that subscribe button and a notification bell. Decide to stay with me. I have tons more recipes coming your way, so make sure that you are subscribed and bell is on, and I would just absolutely love if you did that, and it would help my channel grow. So moving on, I will be adding a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon or so. And then I'm going to be adding some seasonings. So salt and pepper, I use sea salt and some pepper, just a normal pepper. You can use freshly ground pepper too if you want. And I will also going to add some parsley flakes into them. You could use fresh parsley as well, but I figured for this dish, parsley flakes are sufficient enough. And then I wanted to add some paprika, so I only had smoked paprika, but before I do paprika, I am adding a little bit of garlic. Again, you can throw in a couple cloves of fresh garlic as well. I am just using the granulated garlic. And now I'm going to add some smoked paprika, and I'm not really measuring. I would say add about a half a teaspoon of paprika and about a tablespoon of the parsley, and then you can also just add however much salt and pepper you want to. Taste your veggies at the end and see if you need to adjust any seasonings. I'm also adding some Vegeta. This is like my ultimate staple in the house. I use this almost in everything that I make. It is dehydrated vegetables. I think you can pick it up on Amazon if you really wanted to. But it's just mine. The Vegeta does have some salt in it, so the reason why I did not put as much salt is because of that. So if you're using Vegeta, keep that in mind. But if you're using Vegeta, you know it's salty. So then I'm going to toss. I tossed it all together, and I'm going to put it on to cook on high for 4 hours. And let me tell you, if you are using your oven for making a turkey or just having other things in your oven, this was a great alternative to roasted vegetables. These tasted absolutely delicious, and I would make it over again. No problem. I paired mine with some pork roast that we made, and I also did a dill pickle salad with it, which is a new discovery that I have discovered. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by, like I said, I would love it if you consider subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. Do not forget to check out the hostess channel as well as the playlist linked down below. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!